In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to search on Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find what you need inside your projects quickly and confidently, whether it's a function name, a variable, or a specific file. First, open your browser and go to replit.com. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see the main navigation and your recent work. This is your starting point for getting into the projects where you'll be searching. Next, click on Projects. This takes you to a clear view of your work, making it easier to focus on the project you want. Think of this page as your organized shelf of RPLs. If you have a lot of items, you can quickly scroll or use the built-in filters to find the one you need. Now, select a project. Open the one where you want to search. This brings you into the editor where you'll see your file tree on the side, the code editor in the center, and your tools and panels around it. Keep in mind that the search you're about to do will run inside this specific project, which helps keep results relevant. Look to the top right of the editor and click the search icon. It usually looks like a magnifying glass. This opens the search panel where you can type the term you're looking for. The search will scan your project and show matches so you can jump directly to the right line of code. As a quick tip, you can often use a keyboard shortcut to open search faster, depending on your device and settings. From here, you can search broadly across the entire project or narrow things down. Type a keyword to search everything, or limit the scope to a specific file if you already know where to look. Many search panels support helpful options like matching case or whole words, which can cut down on noise. Click a result to open that file at the exact location of the match. You can also use search to quickly find tools or features in your workspace by typing their names, helping you move around faster without digging through menus. If your results feel too crowded, refine your term or add a little more context, like part of a file name or function signature. And if nothing appears, double check your spelling or confirm you're searching in the right project. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.